and everyone. We will read Alice in Wonderland. The story of Alice in Wonderland. Once upon a time, Alice was sitting in the garden with her sister. Her sister was busy in reading a storybook, and Alice was getting bored. Suddenly, Alice saw a white rabbit wearing a jacket and holding a club. Alice got curious and went after him. As the white rabbit went inside a hole, Alice also followed him, and she went down deep in the hole. Alice reached a hole which had 3 rooms. She could not see the white rabbit there. She looked around and saw a bottle kept on a 3-legged table. She felt thirsty, so she picked up the bottle and drank the liquid in it. As the drank it, she started growling. Soon she became taller than her normal size. Suddenly, her eyes fell on the golden key kept on the table. She picked up the key and tried to open the first door, but the door did not open. Then she tried to open the second door, but it didn't open. At last, she tried the key on the third door, and the door opened. Alice went through the door and met the white rabbit, who mistook her as his maid. The white rabbit ordered Alice go and dig my ground in fun from the cottage. Alice got afraid and she ran to the cottage. As she picked up the gloves and the fan, she started drinking. Now she was much smaller than her. She became sad and ran out of the back door of the cottage. Alice came into a garden where there were many mushrooms. She saw a caterpillar smoking pipe while sitting on a mushroom. Caterpillars asked her, why are you sad? Alice said, my height is too small. I want to be of normal height. The caterpillar said, one side of the mushroom will make you taller, and the other will make you smaller. The caterpillar left, and Alice ate the mushroom from one side, and she grew smaller. Then Alice ate the mushroom from the other side, and she became taller. So she was of normal size, and she felt happy. She went forward and met the queen and her guards dressed as guards. The queen said, hey girl, will you like to play a game of crochet with me? Alice said, sure, I will love to. Alice played the game with the queen, but she left it in the team. Suddenly there was a loud noise indicating the beginning of the court's trial. Everyone went to the court and the trial began. The queen blamed Alice for leaving the game in between. Alice said, sorry queen, I didn't know how to play it, so I left it. Please forgive me. The king was impressed with her kind nature and apology. So the king set her free from all the allegations. Suddenly, as Alice felt someone touching her shoulder. It was her sister who was waking her up from sleep. Alice woke up and thought that it was a dream. Then she narrated her dream to her sister, but her sister ignored the story and again started reading the story. Alice kept on thinking and dreaming while her sister read the storybook. Moral of the story: Henry, hey James, did you like the story? James, yes Henry. Henry, did you understand the moral of the story? James said, yes Henry, this story tells us that we shall be safe if we are kind to others. Henry, yes James. Alice was kind and polite with the white rabbit, the caterpillar, and the queen, so she was saved in the end. Remember to be kind and polite with others. The end. Thank you for hearing my story, guys. See you soon. Bye.